check this out. This is a resistor, power resistor, 185 watt at 0.33 ohm. This was made for Aircraft and Commercial Equipment Inc. It appears to be military style. Has a great feel to it, a little bit of texture there. Zoom in on that. Is that sort of air cooled? Is that what that's? 185 watt, point, as it says right there, 0.33 ohm. Included, you get 2 washers. I think to hold that in place. Oh. That would be a slap on the ends. Because they are dimpled. So you put a dimpled side on that side, you put a dimpled side on that side, and then you get these 2 insulators. I guess it would be insulating because this appears to be ceramic. Okay. And I open that up. This is the package you're going to get. It's sealed. There may be some information there if you'd like to pause. These retail for $60. But we're not going to sell them for $60. You know that. You know we never sell anything at retail around here. You kidding me? $19.95. What? Throwing the Ginsu knives. No, we can't do that. $19.95 for this part. These, let me see your supply. We have 20 of them. So, order yours today. And you do not get the Ginsu knives, just this part.